Domestic EDA software breaks through. New Xinkailai subsidiary releases major tools. 20,000 engineers cast a vote of confidence. A device that can streamline the hardware development cycle. Domestic EDA software shortened by 40% officially unveiled. Mark of China in the field of semiconductor design tools. The key step to selling. I am Brother Shui. Follow me. Let you know about the latest financial technology hotspots. October 15th. At the 2025 Bay Area Semiconductor Industry Ecological Expo, Qiyunfang, a subsidiary of Xinkailai, released two products with completely independent intellectual property rights. Domestic Electronic Engineering EDA software, designed specifically for schematic and PCB design. This is not just a product launch. It is also an important step in the process of independence of China's semiconductor industry. Important milestones. Yuan Yi, president of the company's Electronic Engineering EDA BU, revealed. These two products have been put on the market and used by over 20,000 engineers. Feedback from the downstream market is good. Product performance improved by 30% compared to industry benchmarks. Hardware development cycle can be shortened by 40%. EDA stands for Electronic Design Automation, known as the cornerstone of the electronics industry. It is an indispensable design tool for the modern semiconductor industry. In the electronic product design process, EDA software plays an indispensable role. From simple electronic circuit boards to complex integrated circuits. Full process design. Authenticity visit, verification, and manufacturing process are inseparable from EDA software. However, this key field has been monopolized by European and American manufacturers for a long time. EDA software from European and American manufacturers, occupying a monopoly position in the Chinese market. The domestic industry is fully controlled by foreign EDA design tools. As pointed out by Techno, EDA can never be done in the laboratory. It must be in the industrial chain, continuously polished in real chip projects. Adapting to different processes is only useful. This dilemma leaves China's semiconductor industry vulnerable to impact of external technology blockade. New Gloria Purple Company Qiyunfang. Two EDA design software released this time. In terms of important indicators in electronic circuit design, reached the industry's first-class level. According to published data, the performance of these two products is 30% higher than the industry benchmark and can shorten the hardware development cycle by 40%. What deserves more attention is that reason revealed. More than 20,000 engineers are currently using these products, and the market feedback is good. This data is for the newly released domestic EDA tools. Is a considerable user base. These two software focus on schematics and PCB design. Belongs to the category of electronic system EDA. These tools are geared toward circuit board design. For example, designing mobile phone motherboards, industrial control boards, etc. Responsible for compiling circuit schematics and generating PCB layout. Simultaneously conduct inspections on signal integrity and electromagnetic compatibility. For China's semiconductor industry, the significance of this release lies not only in the technology itself. It lies more in the strategic value of independence and controllability. At this level, I have filled the technical gap in domestic high-end electronic design industrial software. Solved the important shortcomings of domestic semiconductor and electronic industry software. In the semiconductor field, if there is a lack of independent EDA tools, it will be subject to external technical barriers. Xinkailai is a member of Shenzhen Major Industrial Investment Group. Established in August 2021. Is a company dedicated to semiconductor equipment and components. A limited liability company that develops, manufactures, sells, and services electronic manufacturing equipment. This relatively young company. It is becoming an important force in China's semiconductor equipment independence. The development of China's EDA software has always faced a core challenge. That is, how to go from usable in the laboratory to easy to use in the market. Yuan revealed that more than 20,000 engineers use, and good feedback from downstream markets indicate this domestic EDA software is achieving this leap. Data also shows that product performance is 30% higher than industry benchmarks. Domestic EDA tools are not only solving problems. Pursue excellence in performance. These tools have been commercially used by many domestic companies. Prove its applicability in real industrial settings. It should be noted that the EDA tools released this time are mainly used in schematic diagrams and PCB design. Belongs to the category of electronic system EDA. The most core and technically difficult part of semiconductor design software is an integrated circuit EDA for the chip design itself. From this perspective, China's EDA industry still has a long development path. However, every technological breakthrough is an important part of ecological construction. Nationally produced and controllable EDA software released. It means the further improvement of China's semiconductor industry chain. In today's turbulent world of globalization, technical autonomy is the initiative for industrial development. The EDA tool released this time by Xinkailai subsidiary, demonstrating the ability of China's semiconductor industry to innovate independently in adversity, injecting confidence into the entire industry. As the global technological competition landscape changes, independent control of the semiconductor industry chain. It has become a must-answer question for China's scientific and technological development. The EDA tool released this time by Xinkailai subsidiary. Not a sample in a laboratory. Instead, it is a commercial product that has been verified by 20,000 engineers. This marks China's sincerity in breaking through stuck technology. A solid step in selling. Although the road ahead is still long. But every technological breakthrough will accelerate the process of independence of China's semiconductor industry.